Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 LDV V80 short wheelbase low roof van, stock reference number 5619. The shape runs from the first month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door has 7 small dents and light ripples. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 5 small dents and light ripples. Right front door has 4 small dents. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor and the right hand sun visor.